You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Asian stock markets showed little change, while gold prices neared record highs due to increased demand for safe haven assets. The yen stabilized after the Bank of Japan decided to keep interest rates at 0.5%, in line with analysts' expectations. However, economic risks associated with U.S. tariffs may slow Japan's recovery. Geopolitical tensions continue to worry investors. Meanwhile, in the U.S., stock indices declined ahead of the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision, with expectations that rates will remain unchanged. Investors are closely watching economic forecasts and Fed Chair Jerome Powell's comments on trade policy and future interest rate actions. Following the Bank of Japan's decision to keep rates at 0.5%, the yen weakened, while traders await the Federal Reserve's decision. Though the move had little impact on exchange rates, the market initially reacted with expectations of a future rate hike. Market participants are now focused on Bank of Japan Governor Kazuo Ueda's press conference for hints on future monetary policy steps. Meanwhile, the US dollar is struggling to regain strength ahead of the Fed meeting, where rate hikes are unlikely. In the broader currency market, the euro hit a 5-month high, while the British pound and commodity-linked currencies saw slight declines. Gold prices hit a record high, surpassing $3,040 per ounce, as geopolitical tensions and trade uncertainties increased demand for the safe haven asset. Investors are concerned about potential economic slowdowns and recession risks driven by U.S. President Donald Trump's tariff policies, which could fuel inflation. The Federal Reserve is wrapping up its 2-day meeting, and interest rates are expected to remain in the 4.25% to 4.50% range. Low interest rates typically boost gold's appeal. Bitcoin remains below $85,000 as investors await the Fed's decision. Since March 12, Bitcoin has been fluctuating between $84,000 and $85,200, but has failed to hold above $84,600. There is a 99% probability that U.S. interest rates will stay within the current range, with only a 1% chance of a 0.25% rate cut. To continue its upward trend, Bitcoin needs to break the $85,000 resistance level. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.